Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video we are going to see how to make 300 sales a day using Terapeak. Now this is a built-in eBay tool if you buy with a basic store plan. Now there's a starter plan as well, but that doesn't include this one. But if you buy the basic plan, you're gonna have this one. In this one, basically you can find the product that can sell fast. Now you can use ebay.com or depend on your country. Now for me, eBay, I had to look at ebay.ca because I am in Canada, so I had to look at the items which sells in Canada. Now here what I do is basically I look for items like I'm interested in phone items like iPhone related stuff, but you have to look at the item that depends on your that actually in your field, like whatever the things you are trying to sell. Now since I'm selling iPhone, I'm already selling iPhone, but I want to see which accessories actually gonna help me to make more money. Now if I look at this, we can easily find out the item we can sell on Terapeak. If you type like iPhone charger, iPhone, let's put iPhone earphone, okay, earphones. Now you can see it goes 24.14%. That's not too bad. iPhone earphones, iPhone case is 6.25 sell through, so it's pretty bad than the other one. Like compared to the one iPhone earphone, this one is going pretty bad, so you shouldn't consider selling this one compared to the other one, because that is like 24% or something. This is like, so you can make 4 times, you can buy 4 times less money, you can make profit on the other product. Now let's look at another thing. iPhone case, iPhone charger, iPhone charger 16.99, but let's see iPhone charger cable. If I put iPhone charger cable, it's 37.08%. This one is a pretty really good product, because as you see, if you see something above 30%, it's really good product. Now let's see what are the options we have, like iPhone charger cable, iPhone earphones, and iPhone case. We looked at that. Then also we can look at iPhone screen protector, and screen protector 20.64%. So as far as I see, in Canada, the iPhone charger cable going pretty good. Charger cable going pretty good, so that's the one I better focus on. And it actually says 10,033 sold within this much amount of time, November to February 19. Okay, now let's look at the top seller who is selling this a lot. This guy is selling it a lot. He actually sold a lot in February. This one comes in different colors. Now we can also see whether we can drop ship this one from Amazon, if it's available on Amazon. If it's available in Amazon, it's going to be much easier. Now let's see whether we have the same thing available on Amazon. USB charger, iPhone X. Okay. So Amazon seems to have same kind of cable, but Amazon is expensive, so it's not worth to. We cannot drop ship from Amazon, because it has to be cheaper on Amazon to drop ship from Amazon, but it is expensive in Amazon. And I want to see whether it is coming from China, because if it's coming from China, you can buy from Alibaba and sell it directly. So you're going to have a good profit. Now it seems like maybe it's from China, because as long as I don't see the delivery time is very quick, so we are not sure. And this is selling a lot. This may be just $1 profit, but if you just sell 300 in a day, but I don't know how much he's selling. Let's see. He's just selling 3-4 per day. So as far as I see, they are playing with the keywords a lot. What's key changes in these pictures? You can always find these pictures, but I think he's playing with the keywords a lot. 1 meter, 2 meter, 3 meter, and iPhone X6 for heavy duty metal branded. So these keywords you can look at when you're listing your item. Let's look at the guy who is selling second. This guy is selling 5 charging cable for $10. You can buy a lot. This is probably he got it from Alibaba and selling it. I can see that, because if it's really cheap, then it means it's coming from Alibaba. And let's see whether the same product available on Amazon. Amazon is expensive compared to eBay, but Amazon has quality products, where eBay is a bunch of garbages, but it sells. USB-C charging cable is going high next. USB data sync charging cable. So charging cable has good demand, but I don't think you can compete with these guys, because they are already selling it really low. But you can give it a try if you can find a product, because I did before from Alibaba as well, but Alibaba, the charging cable are really bad. They're not really good products. You can find good one, but it's going to be a little bit costly than. We can look at iPhone earphones. That one was the second one we looked at. That is 24.14%, not bad. And the thing that is selling the most, let's see which one. The thing that is selling the most is this one. Compatible, like 3.5mm into this jack. They're selling it for like 4.999, but I'm pretty sure in Alibaba you can get it for pretty cheap and at least make $2 profit from this selling it. So it's a good product to consider. And this one also not bad. 7.25. He's selling it 7.25, and he actually sold a lot in. You can compete with this guy, like this one, with this thing. It's not bad. You can get this one like per unit, paying like only $2-3, and you still make around $4 profit. If you include, let's say, 6 shipping, let's not count the shipping. Let's say shipping just costs $2, and you still make $2 profit. So you're making some profit on it. That's it. Like, that's how we can, we had to from actually Terapeak, you can look at the very demanding item. I just look at the font category, but it's each category you can see items that have a huge amount of traffic. Now let's see how much traffic he has. It doesn't show the traffic, but it sells a lot if you find the right product. And then the keywords, one of the main thing, you have to look at the keywords, which keywords are selling the most, and you have to see whether you can copy the same keyword and put it in your listing as well. And that's all I want to talk in this video. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. See you guys on the next video.